If I told you that one tiny 5-minute habit could make you calmer, clearer, and more focused this week, would you try it? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start journaling daily and actually stick to it. In the next few minutes, you'll learn a simple step-by-step plan to build a daily journaling habit. How to start, what to write, how to stay consistent, and how to turn it into your secret clarity weapon. Maybe you've tried journaling before. You wrote 2 pages, felt motivated, then life got busy and the notebook disappeared in a drawer. Sound familiar? Today we're going to fix that with a method so simple it's hard to fail. First, let's kill the big myth. Journaling is not about writing a perfect novel. It's about capturing tiny pieces of your mind every day. If you can write a text message, you can journal. Your brain just needs clear instructions. Step 1. Choose your single simple reason to journal. Not 10 reasons. 1. Maybe it's less stress, better focus, or tracking your goals. Clarity makes habits easier. What's your one reason? Don't overthink it. Just pick. Write that reason on the first page. This is your promise to yourself. Every time you open the notebook, you'll remember why you started. No fancy words, just I journal to and your reason. This is your habit's anchor. Now step 2, shrink the habit. Your new rule is 1 line a day counts. Seriously, if you write just 1 single line, you win. Removing pressure makes starting easy, and starting is where most people fail. Imagine this. It's late, you're tired, and the day went wrong. Instead of skipping, you just write 1 messy line and close the notebook. Habit saved. Tomorrow it'll be easier to come back because you didn't break the chain. Step 3. Attach journaling to something you already do every day. After coffee, after brushing teeth, after dinner, habits stick when they piggyback on other habits. So your new mental script is after X, I open my journal. Pick one trigger and stick with it for at least 10 days. Don't switch every 2 days or your brain gets confused. Remember, your goal is not epic pages, it's consistency. Tiny repetition builds huge change over time. Now what do you actually write? Keep it stupid simple. 3 lines. Line 1, what happened today? Line 2, how did I feel? Line 3, what's one small win or lesson? That's it. 3 small questions, 1 small page. Example, today had a tough meeting. Feeling stressed and tired. Win, still showed up and didn't quit. Simple, honest, done in under 5 minutes. No judgment, no perfection, just a snapshot of your inner world. If you ever feel stuck, use prompts. Ask yourself, what's one thing I'm grateful for? Or what do I need to let go of? Prompts are like little keys that unlock your mind when the page feels scary and empty. Let me give you an easy starter list. Gratitude, 1 worry, 1 win, 1 lesson, 1 intention for tomorrow. Rotate between them. You'll never run out of things to write, and your brain starts craving that daily check-in. Now, environment. Don't hide your journal in a drawer. Keep it where you'll see it at the right moment. On your pillow, next to your toothbrush cup, beside your coffee mug. If it's visible, it's doable. You can also create a tiny ritual. Same spot, same pen, same time. Maybe you light a small candle or drink tea while you write. Your brain learns, when I sit here like this, I journal. Rituals turn effort into automatic flow. Let's talk about the biggest enemy, perfectionism. You'll be tempted to catch up for missed days or to write beautifully. Don't. Messy scribbles count. Short counts. Boring counts. The only rule is imperfect and done. When you miss a day, and you will, don't give a speech. Don't feel guilty. Just say I'm back and write 1 line. That's it. The faster you restart, the stronger your identity as someone who journals becomes. Here's a powerful trick. Time limit your journaling. Set a 3-minute timer. When the timer ends, you stop, even if you're mid-sentence. Scarcity makes you more focused, and you'll actually want to come back tomorrow. As days pass, start adding a 4th line. What did I learn about myself today? This turns your journal from a diary into a mirror. You're not just recording life, you're understanding it. That's where real growth begins. Imagine 3 months from now, flipping through your pages. You'd literally see your progress. Old worries solved, goals moving, patterns changing. Your journal becomes a map of where you've been and where you're going next. To boost motivation, choose a journaling streak reward. After 7 days, maybe a quiet coffee break. After 30 days, maybe a small treat or a new pen. You're teaching your brain that consistency feels good. Now there's one more level. Use your journal to close your day. Write one worry, one gratitude, and one intention. Your mind goes to sleep knowing it's been heard, held, and guided. That's mental hygiene, not just productivity. If mornings suit you better, use your journal to design your day. One thing you must do, one way you want to feel, one thing you'll avoid. You start with intention instead of autopilot, and your journal becomes your morning compass. Remember, your journal is a judgment-free zone. No one else has to read it. This is the one place you can be totally honest, confused, bold, scared. The more honest you are on paper, the stronger and calmer you become in life. Let's quickly recap your action plan. Choose one reason, shrink the habit, attach it to a trigger. Use 3 simple lines, restart fast when you fall, and slowly upgrade with prompts and reflections. Tiny steps, huge payoff. Now your turn. Today, not tomorrow. Open a notebook, even a random one, and write just 3 lines. What happened, how you feel, and one small win. That's your first brick. Stack bricks daily and watch your life quietly transform. If this video helped you, imagine what your own journal could do in 30 days. So here's your challenge. 7 days, 1 line minimum, no excuses. I'll be right here with you. Now go start your first page.